Stop scrolling right now, because Ford built an engine that goes against everything modern trucks are supposed to be. Instead of smaller turbocharged motors and complex hybrid systems, Ford Motor Company created something brutally simple: a massive 7.3-liter V8, known as Godzilla. And it is quietly becoming one of the most respected engines in America. This engine did not happen by accident. At a time when the industry was obsessed with downsizing and electrification, Ford made a calculated move in the opposite direction. They designed a large displacement, naturally aspirated V8, focused on durability, ease of repair, and strong low-end torque. That decision immediately caught the attention of fleet owners, contractors, and drivers who rely on their trucks every single day. Introduced in the 2020 Super Duty lineup, the 7.3 replaced the older V10 and offered a serious alternative to diesel, without the extra cost and maintenance headaches. There are no complicated turbo systems, no diesel exhaust fluid, and no expensive emissions components to worry about. Instead, the focus is on consistent performance over hundreds of thousands of miles. Ford engineers made it clear from the beginning that this engine was not built to chase flashy horsepower numbers. It was built to handle real work in harsh conditions without breaking down. That philosophy is exactly why it is gaining a reputation so quickly. The design itself reflects that purpose. The 7.3 uses a traditional pushrod layout, which is simpler and more compact than modern overhead cam engines. Fewer moving parts means fewer things that can fail, and that directly translates into lower maintenance and better long-term reliability. Under the hood, the engine features a strong cast iron block for durability, paired with aluminum cylinder heads to help manage heat and reduce weight. Inside, components like a forged steel crankshaft and durable pistons are built to withstand heavy loads without sacrificing longevity. Everything about this engine is intentional. It is not trying to be the most advanced. It is trying to be the most dependable. This approach may sound old school, but in today's world of over-engineered systems, it stands out more than ever. Drivers want something that works every time they turn the key, and that is exactly what this engine delivers day after day, without unnecessary complexity or surprise failures. This is why I believe the Godzilla V8 become one of the greatest workhorse engines ever built. Now, when it comes to performance, this is where the 7.3 Godzilla proves why it was built this way. There are no turbos to spool up, no intercoolers to fail, and no complicated timing systems constantly adjusting in the background. What you get instead is immediate, predictable power that shows up exactly when you need it. In its standard form, the engine produces around 430 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque, while a slightly detuned version used in fleet applications delivers about 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. But those numbers only tell part of the story. What really matters is how that torque is delivered. The 7.3 V8 produces a broad and flat torque curve with strong pulling power available across the entire rev range. That means whether you are towing up a steep grade or hauling a heavy load across long distances, the engine does not feel strained or unpredictable. It just keeps pulling consistently, without hesitation. This makes a huge difference in real-world driving. Trucks equipped with this engine can tow over 21,000 pounds when properly configured, and payload capacity can exceed 7,500 pounds in certain setups. These are not just marketing figures. They reflect what people are actually doing with these trucks every day, on job sites, highways, and rural routes across the country. Fuel economy is not the main selling point here, but it is better than many expect. Most users report between 10 and 14 miles per gallon, depending on load and driving conditions. When you factor in the lower maintenance costs compared to diesel engines, the overall ownership experience becomes much more appealing. And that is where this engine really separates itself. There is no need for diesel exhaust fluid, no particulate filters, and no expensive emission systems that can fail over time. Maintenance is straightforward, and downtime is minimal, which is exactly what fleet operators care about most. Many owners have reported that trucks powered by this engine spend far less time in the shop and cost less to maintain over the long run. It may not be flashy, but it delivers something far more important: reliability you can count on every single day. Even under extreme conditions like heavy towing in high heat or continuous daily use, it maintains stable performance without drama, which is exactly why so many professionals are switching away from more complex alternatives today. But what really makes this engine stand out is how far beyond its original purpose it has gone. What started as a heavy-duty work engine has quickly gained attention in the performance world, and for good reason. Ford Motor Company now offers the 7.3 as a crate engine, and builders across the country are pushing it to levels no one expected. With basic upgrades, this engine can easily produce over 500 horsepower, thanks to its strong internal components and large displacement. Enthusiasts are swapping it into older trucks, classic muscle cars, and even dedicated drag builds. The aftermarket support continues to grow, with new camshafts, intake systems, headers, and tuning options becoming widely available. This versatility is a big part of its appeal. It is not limited to just pickup trucks. The 7.3 powers commercial vans, medium-duty trucks, school buses, and emergency vehicles. Its compact design and simplicity make it easy to adapt across different platforms, which is exactly what manufacturers and upfitters look for. Another major reason behind its popularity is how well it fits between gasoline and diesel options. Diesel engines still offer strong performance, but they come with higher upfront costs, complex systems, and expensive maintenance. The 7.3 delivers most of that capability without those downsides, making it a smarter choice for many buyers. Looking ahead, this engine is not going anywhere anytime soon. Even as Ford expands into electric vehicles, it understands that many drivers still depend on internal combustion, especially in demanding environments like rural areas, long-distance hauling, and off-grid job sites. The 7.3 is expected to remain in production for years, with potential updates for alternative fuels and improved efficiency. In the end, this engine represents something rare in today's automotive world. It is simple, durable, and built to do a job without unnecessary complexity. It may not chase trends, but it delivers exactly what matters most: dependable power when you need it. That is why the Godzilla V8 is not just another engine. It is proof that sometimes the best way forward is sticking with what actually works.